Participating in Capture Your Flag has been a real, has impacted my life in ways that you guys don't understand, and I'm glad to be able to talk about it, because when you're building something, you don't often stop to reflect, and you also don't usually have a thoughtful person sit and with you and for an hour talk about what you're dealing with in your life and giving you kind of prompts and ideas and questions for you to sit back and answer and think about and take home. I think of these as therapy sessions. Every year I leave and I'm like, oh my gosh. Wow, like I see things differently, I'm understanding things differently. I reference this time a lot, and I think that, you know, being an entrepreneur and being a leader and trying to do something that's different is difficult and often lonely, and having you guys as part of our team, my team, has been fundamental, and I wouldn't have understood it, and it took about year 3 for me to start to realize that this is, you guys are giving me so much, and I am so grateful, and I can't believe we're in year 5, and I can't wait to see where we are in year 10. There's a lot of honesty, I think, that comes from this style of storytelling, which is basically what this is, right? And you are so purposeful in the questions and the environment that you create that I feel safe being fully honest. You know, it's, you know, someone was asking me, well, do you prepare for these interviews? And I'm like, what would I do? How would I prepare? I'm not going to come in with like, here's the lines I'm going to use. Right. Here's the angle for the interview. I'm going to come in just with a really open heart, because I know I'm going to be able to really explore sides of myself personally and professionally that I wouldn't otherwise. And so what does that create? That creates for really honest, interesting, relevant content, and hopefully some advice and some, you know, lessons learned and lessons shared with others, and people are responding very positively to that for sure. Everyone on my team has the entrepreneurial spirit. So not everybody can be an entrepreneur, because we can't all have businesses of one. But you can build a team that has of entrepreneurial people. And there is usually the person or two that started the organization that really have more of that entrepreneur wholeness to them. But I think that if I look at some of our key leadership on our team, I would love for them to have this kind of time and exposure and to themselves personally and professionally, because they're right on the front lines with me. And you know, I know that my partner Courtney and I will, like, after this interview, we're gonna get together and she's gonna want to know what happened, what did we talk about, how, and I'm sharing, you know, the benefits of the experience with her. Yeah. But I think that those people that take key leadership roles in startups could also benefit from this for sure.